Hi, good day, learners. How are you? I hope you're doing well today. This is Teacher Ivy, and I will be your TLE Cookery teacher. And welcome you all to the TLE Cookery class. So before anything else, here is the objective that you will be able to meet at the end of the lesson. Recognize kitchen tools and equipment to be clean and sanitized. So, it's time to clean up, guys. With that, here is our topic. Clean and maintain kitchen tools, equipment, and premises. Cleaning and sanitizing procedures must be part of the standard operating procedures that make up your food safety. Improperly clean and sanitized surfaces allow harmful microorganisms to be transferred from one food to another. Cleaning and sanitizing must be regular procedures done to tools, utensils, and equipment. So every time we use tools, utensils, and equipment, siguraduhin na malinis ito, lalo na pag nagluluto na tayo ng mga pagkain na dapat ihanda natin sa ating bahay araw-araw. Cleaning and sanitizing are two different procedures. Cleaning removes germs, dirt, and impurities from surfaces or objects. In cleaning, works by using soap or detergent and water to remove germs from surface. But this process does not necessarily kill germs. But by removing them, it lowers their number and the risk of spreading infection. Sanitizing means that you are lowering the number of germs to a safe level. In sanitizing, they can reduce contamination by bacteria to a safe level. So here is the list of cooking materials that are commonly found in the kitchen or our kitchen. First is aluminum. Aluminum is most used in the kitchen and most popular because it is lightweight, attractive, and less expensive. It requires care to keep it shiny and clean all the time. Dapat natin siya laging linisan kasi madali siyang masira or mabutas. Kasi manipis or malambot ang aluminum. It also gives even heat distribution no matter what heat temperature you have. So the next is stainless steel. It's the most popular material used for tools, equipment, but it is more expensive. So medyo mahal si stainless steel kaysa kay aluminum. It is easier to clean and shine and will not wear out easily. Next is glass. Is used for salad making and dessert, but not practical for top or surface cooking. So hindi siya ida-direct sa stove or doon mismo sa apoy kasi madali siyang masira. Great care is needed to ensure for long shelf life. Next is iron cast or cast iron. It's durable but must be kept oiled or avoid rusting. Wash with soap, not detergent before using. So kailangan bago natin gamitin or bago natin paglutuan, hugasan muna natin ng maigi. Next is the double boiler. It's used when temperature must be kept below boiling, such as for egg sauces, pudding, and to keep food warm without overcooking. For taking care of double boiler, wash pot in warm, soapy water, rinse, and then dry thoroughly. Next is Teflon. Teflon is a special coating applied inside aluminum or steel pot and pans. For taking care in Teflon pots and pans. Number 1, don't use metals on your non-stick pans. Avoid major water temperature changes. Clean your non-stick pans with scratch-proof scoring pads. Avoid acidic foods. Never use aerosol cooking spray. Store your pans properly. Clean and dry your non-stick pans after using them. Don't store food in your pans. Avoid high heats when using your non-stick frying pans. Use softer detergents to clean your non-stick pans. So that's all for this review lesson, class. I hope you learned something new. I hope to see you in our next video lesson. This is your teacher Ivy. Thank you and God bless.